Ronan, and his name is
Matt.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. And today we're gonna be unboxing the Copilot Model A. Now let's get to unboxing it.
We'll walk on showing Memphis, and we'll go back where we came out on the road, and I'm coming home to you. There's a dark side of the night life in my...
Bye-bye.
Hello!
We're back. Are we keep doing it, Daddy?
Once again, it is Ronan and Max. And then you'll sit in here, and you can buckle those back up. And if you don't want those, you can easily just have the lap belt connect. Let me go over some other things. So, of course, when we arrived, we obviously saw. You obviously
There's
saw
also a sign that has
this,
the same thing.
like this, and you can take the plastic off.
And like this, you can also
You can
do
take
that.
the plastic off. You can move it back.
And we make a little
Move this back. And then you have this open. And so we have cup holders, lap belt, seat belts, and of course, and there's also room for someone in the middle. So you put that right there, and then you put those right there. And in the back, you can, I'm the one that can see, but you can't. But if you like open that up just a little bit, you see that's the storage area. Let me put this back. And we have the sun. This thing keeps mosquitoes out of your eyes and bugs. And then we also have the screen protector, which is like protecting your eyes from the sun. It's like sunglasses. Sunglasses, basically.
Today, why are you doing mommy?
Done. Once again, this is Ronan and Max at Velo Republic. Thank you for tuning in. Ooh.